How to withdraw Opera News creator earnings to your bank. Step 1. Confirm your Opera earnings hit the minimum threshold. Opera pays your accumulated earnings into your linked OPay account automatically once you cross the minimum payout threshold. Payment processing happens monthly, usually landing in your OPay wallet around the 15th. Step 2. Confirm the money has landed in your OPay wallet. Open the OPay app and check your wallet balance to confirm Opera's payment has actually arrived before attempting a transfer. This avoids failed transaction. Step 3. Open the transfer to bank option in the OPay app. Inside the OPay app, type the transfer to bank option from your wallet dashboard. Step 4. Select your bank and enter your account details. Choose your bank name from the list, then input your 10-digit Nigeria bank account number. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Type in how much you want to move, review the details, then hit done to complete the transfer. You can then withdraw the cash physically at an ATM or bank counter once it lands. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to withdraw Opera News creator earnings to your bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.